Welcome to this explainer. Okay, today we are diving into something that is literally rewriting the DNA of how modern businesses operate. We're talking about combining the incredible, tireless muscle of robotic process automation, or RPA for short, with the highly creative cognitive brains of generative AI. It is an absolute powerhouse of a combination. But as we're going to see, it acts as a fascinating double-edged sword, bringing some incredible opportunities right alongside some pretty daunting security challenges. So buckle up. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll look at the automation dream team. Then, real-world business transformations. After that, we absolutely have to talk about the hidden security risks. Fourth, a blueprint for secure automation. And finally, number 5, overcoming implementation hurdles.
Kicking things off with Section 1, the Automation Dream Team. This is where brains truly meets brawn.
So I want you to think about this incredibly fascinating question. What actually happens when you give rigid, rule-following bots a creative brain? I mean, think of these two technologies like a dynamic superhero duo joining forces to take on the heavy lifting of the modern enterprise. Traditionally, right, bots only do exactly what they're programmed to do, step by step, no deviation. But when you introduce generative AI into the mix, you are suddenly giving that bot the ability to think, adapt, and generate totally new ideas on the fly.
And this brilliantly illustrates the core of this synergy. It's actually quite simple when you put them side by side. On one hand, you have RPA. These are the tireless hands. They're rule-based, they beautifully mimic human-system interactions, and they just execute tasks flawlessly without ever needing a coffee break. On the other hand, you have generative AI. This is the creative brain. It's cognitive, it creates entirely new content out of thin air, it deeply understands context, and it's powered by deep learning. When you put the hands and the brain together, the automation possibilities just absolutely explode. So how does this actually play out in the real world? Well, by integrating these tools, we are extending automation way beyond those traditional, repetitive copy-paste use cases. We get intelligent document processing, meaning bots don't just extract data, the AI actually reads and summarizes unstructured information. We get cognitive automation that can gauge the mood or sentiment of a customer query in real time. We're seeing dynamic workflows where the AI generates scripts and templates on the fly for the RPA to use. And finally, decision support, where the AI runs predictive analytics and simulates scenarios that the RPA can then go execute. It's like a giant puzzle coming together to create true end-to-end cognitive automation.
Moving into Section 2, real-world business transformations, or what I like to call the jaw-drop effect. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is this massive number, 360,000. That is the number of hours that JP Morgan Chase used to spend manually reviewing commercial credit agreements and legal documents every single year. 360,000 hours. But by using natural language processing and machine learning to analyze the documents and pairing that with RPA to handle the workflow, they reduced those 360,000 hours of work down to mere seconds. Literally seconds. Just let that sink in for a moment.
And the thing is, JP Morgan Chase is definitely not alone here. We are seeing massive wins across all sorts of different sectors. In finance, as we just saw, it means hundreds of thousands of hours saved and radically enhanced compliance. In healthcare, the Mayo Clinic is using this hybrid approach. Gen AI analyzes complex patient records to draft preliminary diagnoses, while the RPA handles the tedious billing and claims. The outcome? Considerably faster diagnoses, giving clinicians way more time to actually focus on patient care. And in manufacturing, Siemens is using Gen AI to optimize engineering designs, while RPA conducts repetitive quality checks on the production line. That synergy directly leads to faster prototyping, higher product quality, and a lot less waste.
But of course, we have to flip the coin. Section 3, the hidden security risks, the dark side of this synergy. As this quote from researcher Saranya Balaguru points out, the convergence of these two powerful technologies amplifies the attack surface for malicious actors. Think about it. When we have bots talking to AI models autonomously, totally without human intervention, the potential for cyber attacks and severe data breaches absolutely skyrockets.
When we break down the primary vulnerabilities of integrating these systems, the threat landscape is actually pretty evenly distributed across 3 major weak points. About a third of the risk, 33%, lies in data privacy and exposure, which means sensitive data getting leaked by the AI. Another 33% is AI model manipulation, where the brain itself gets tampered with. And the final 34% is unauthorized bot access. That's when attackers steal the credentials of the RPA bot itself to just go in and wreak havoc.
So the crucial point is this. If a hacker gets their hands on a bot's credentials, they can literally use that bot to tamper with your AI model. Or, because these AI models are trained on massive datasets, they could inadvertently spit out sensitive, confidential company info to the wrong person. We also have to worry about adversarial attacks, which is where malicious actors deliberately feed carefully crafted bad data into the AI just to trick it into making harmful predictions. And honestly, making all of this so much harder to catch is the black box nature of AI. It often lacks clear audit trails. So a compromised RPA bot could theoretically execute a malicious task at an incredible scale before a human even realizes what happened. Scary stuff, right?
Which brings us to Section 4, Blueprint for Secure Automation. Let's talk about building a layered defense.
Let's move to and see how this builds a fortress around our automation. Research suggests this 5-part security governance model. Layer 1 is strict access control. We're talking role-based access and multi-factor authentication for humans and bots. Layer 2 is data security, locking everything down. Layer 3 is AI model integrity, which we'll dive into in a sec. Layer 4 is continuous monitoring, using machine learning to sniff out behavioral anomalies in real time. And Layer 5 is a rigid governance framework to make sure you're staying compliant with laws like GDPR or HIPAA.
Actually, let's zoom in on Layer 3 for just a second. One of the absolute most vital defensive tactics you can use is adversarial testing. Basically, this is the practice of deliberately subjecting your AI models to carefully crafted malicious inputs to test their robustness and find their weaknesses. Why is this so critical? Because you have to stress test the brain of your operation to ensure its integrity before a real attacker finds that blind spot.
And when it comes to data security, the golden rule is super clear. All RPA to AI data exchanges absolutely must be secured in transit and at rest using AES 256 encryption along with robust data masking techniques. Listen, data privacy is non-negotiable. Whether you're moving patient health records at a hospital or financial data at a bank, if that data is unencrypted during the handoff between the bot and the AI, your entire system is vulnerable.
All right, final section. Number 5, overcoming implementation hurdles. Time for the reality check.
When we look at the real-world roadblocks to getting this done, they usually fall into 3 distinct buckets. First up, technical hurdles. Integrating these vastly different architectures and scaling security without slowing down your bots is tough. Then, the organizational hurdles, the human element. There's a massive skills gap right now between traditional IT security and specialized data science. Plus, you've got cultural resistance to change and the talent is expensive. And finally, regulatory hurdles. Navigating data privacy laws that change practically every week, proving auditability in strict sectors, and dealing with that black box AI transparency issue we talked about.
But hey, don't worry, there are highly actionable strategies to conquer these roadblocks. To handle scalability, businesses can adopt cloud-based security tools. To bridge that skills gap, foster deep, cross-functional collaboration between your AI researchers, your RPA devs, and your IT security teams. Get them in the same room. For the regulatory transparency issue, experts highly recommend implementing AI explainability tools like LIME or SHAP, which essentially pry open that black box so auditors can see exactly how the AI made a decision. Above all, invest in upskilling your teams and embrace iterative, agile methodologies to catch issues early.
So, bringing all of this together, we really come full circle. Getting AI and RPA to play nicely together requires true vision. The massive, paradigm-shifting rewards here are absolutely real, for sure, but they're reserved for the organizations that prioritize rigorous governance, security, and strategic planning. If you build the fortress right, the intelligent automation inside will propel your business right to the forefront of the digital landscape.
Which leaves us with one final, critical question for you to chew on. Is your business ready to automate intelligently and securely? It is an incredibly exciting frontier, but navigating it safely is the ultimate key to success. Thank you so much for joining me in this exploration.